For our project, we are going to analyze the velocity of a soccer ball after it is kicked.
We will begin by analyzing the free body diagram at each of the 3 points. The first free body diagram is of the forces on the ball when the foot is still in contact with the ball. The forces acting on the ball at this time are the weight, the force of the foot, and the normal force. The second free body diagram is of the forces on the ball when it is in the air. The only force is the weight. The last free body diagram is of the forces on the ball when it lands. The forces include the weight of the ball and the normal force, and friction opposing the direction of motion as the ball rolls to the stop.
Next, we are going to calculate the velocity of the ball just before it reaches the ground. We estimated that the ball traveled a total distance of 50 meters. The first thing we have to find is the ball's acceleration. We can find this using a kinematic equation. The acceleration is 11.1 meters per second squared. Then we used a different kinematic equation to find the final velocity. Velocity final is 33.16 meters per second.
Last, we wanted to find the speed of the ball at the top of its trajectory. First, we estimated that the highest point the ball reached was 20 meters above the ground. Knowing that energy is conserved, we were able to calculate the velocity at this height. Velocity at the ball's highest point is 19.6 meters per second.
In conclusion, the ball was traveling faster right before touching the ground than it was at its highest point.